I remember the first time I talked about saving and investing on this channel, dollar was selling for 417 naira. Naira is actually very, very shitty, bruh. If you don't have an emergency fund in place, then it's all down to shit. People can barely make ends meet. Hey love, what's up and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways you can protect your money from inflation and devaluation. Now, if this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. My name is Adesholamie and I'm a YouTuber and a content creator based in Ibadan, Nigeria. More often than not, I talk about how to make money, how to grow your money, and how to invest your money on this channel. So if these are the kind of videos you are interested in, you want to make sure you subscribe to me because baby, I have to be your accountability partner. But if at any point in time you lose interest or you feel like you're not getting value from this channel, you are very much welcome to unsubscribe because there is no point, in subscribing to or listening to someone that you are not getting anything from. So yeah, that is it. Point blank period. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 ways you can protect your money from inflation and devaluation. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, then sit back and keep on watching. So the first way I'm going to be sharing with you is to save and invest your money in dollars. Now, on this channel, we've talked about ways to save and invest your money in dollars because that is what I always do. I've said it times without number on this channel that it is very, very important that you save and invest your money in dollars. I remember the first time I talked about saving and investing on this channel, dollar was selling for 417 naira, baby, and now it's currently selling for over 1,000 naira. As of today that I'm filming this video, dollar is selling for 1,000 naira. Can you see how ridiculous that is? So imagine if you had saved or invested. When I talked about it, about sometimes last year, you would have protected your money against inflation and devaluation, and it even means that you would have made like a reasonable amount of money. I'm going to link some of my other videos in the description box so you can watch them, follow through, and be sure to save and invest your money in dollars. But of course, I understand that not everybody can afford to do that, which is why there are other savings and investment platform that allows you to do that in naira. But I want you to know that you're not necessarily protecting your money from inflation and or devaluation. You are just kind of like keeping it as a stable cash the way it is. It's just there stable. It's not increasing, it's not decreasing. But maybe even if it is increasing a little bit, you are not necessarily making a lot of money. You got it. Now, the second way I'm going to be sharing with you again is to invest your money in stocks. Now, if you cannot afford to invest your money or save your money in US stocks, you can invest your money in Nigerian stocks. And I know some people say, oh, even if you invest your money in Nigerian stock, inflation is going to eat up whatever ROI you get. And while that is not always true, okay, you won't be losing your money, and there is a way you can have an edge over inflation if you invest in companies that I don't want to say if you're certain they are going to do well, but if you're able to do your research properly and invest in a company that are going to give you like a better ROI, then I don't see a reason why you're going to lose money. Say for example, you invest in a company and in the space of 1 year it gives you maybe about 50% return on investment. And as of today that I'm filming this video, inflation is currently about 23, 24, 25, about less than 30% is the inflation we have in the country right now. So if in a year you are making about 50% return on investment, I don't see how that is a bad business at all. Although you are not going to be making money all the time, there are days where you are going to be losing money, but there are obviously days that you're going to make money because, as always, these businesses are also in the business of making money. These companies are also in the business of making money. They don't want to lose money as well. They want to try to make money as much as they can. So that is the T. Invest your money in Nigerian stocks. For this, you can use Trove or you can use AfroInvest. If you want to invest your money in US stocks, you can use Bamboo, you can use Trove. What else? I think those are the major 2 applications that I use to invest my money in US stocks. Okay. Now, the third way you can protect your money from inflation and devaluation is to save your money in stable currencies like USDT. Okay, that is one of the best ways you can actually protect your money, because, but at the same time, you are also kind of like buying with your naira. Naira is actually very, very shitty, bruh. I don't know what else to say about naira again, but we've talked about that over and over on this channel about how shitty naira is. You know that. So please, 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 if you can invest your money, if you can save your money in stable currency, you are also going to be buying at the regular dollar rate. But this one is for people that do not have like a high risk tolerance. They just want to protect their money against inflation. So let's say you want to, most of the time the stable currencies that you are going to be using would would be the same amount to dollar price. So if you want to like buy $10, you are equivalently buying 10 USDT. So as the value of dollar increases against naira, then you will be making money. Even if you are not making money at the end of the day, at least the value of your money is not dropping. So those are the three basic ways you can protect your money from inflation. Now I'm going to give you like an add-on Jara, okay? Because this is one of the best ways you can also protect your money, but not necessarily saving it from inflation. Because I mean, all of these things that I've said, if you don't have an emergency fund in place, then it's all down to shit. It is very, very important to build your emergency fund when starting out with any investment or any savings, especially when you are not doing it in your own local currency. Yeah, you heard me correctly. Make sure to build your emergency fund, build your sinking fund. But the country is, I mean, it's very, very tough. People can barely make ends meet, okay? So, but please find a way to try as much as possible to curb your expenses. That way, you can cater for things that are much more important to you. So, the additional one I wanted to give you is to save your money in high interest savings account, okay? For example, if you have a target, if you want to buy something, or someone kept money with you, or just anything, instead of leaving the money in your regular savings account, you can just put it in your high interest savings account, and you will be sure to get more money off it. Okay, even if it's just 500 naira, they say little drops of water makes an ocean, if that is the way they say it. Yeah, so that is the it was supposed to be like three ways, but I added four because I was like, okay, why not? Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful at any point in time, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one. Until next time, stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi